Introducing aPriori.
Manufacturers today face increasing challenges to combat global inflation and manage manufacturing and supply chain risks, all while aiming to meet the environmental expectations of customers. Within these leading manufacturers, there are subject matter experts focused on reducing product costs and minimizing manufacturing and design risks. However, they're held back by time and resource limitations, leaving potential savings untapped. This imbalance creates a bottleneck, hindering cost optimization in the early design stages and throughout the production process. What if there were a better way for these subject matter experts to support and scale their efforts to drive profit margins up, reduce risk, and meet sustainability goals? Introducing aPro, a key part of aPriori's manufacturing insights platform. aPro gives your team the power to quickly evaluate detailed information on product cost, manufacturability, and carbon footprint, all at the same time, eliminating the need to use static, time-consuming, out-of-date spreadsheets. aPro is designed for subject matter experts, enabling them to optimize costs and manufacturability as they design. It leverages a full digital twin for faster analysis, using reliable, frequently updated global data on materials, machines, and labor. It offers native and neutral 3D CAD file support and works seamlessly with your existing workflows and tools. Imagine a future where your team can proactively optimize the manufacturing process for carbon emissions, developing a detailed product carbon footprint baseline, and quickly assessing carbon impact in the design process. With aPro, that future is now. The result? Enhanced profit margins, accelerated revenue growth, and fulfilled sustainability goals. Gain insights that can transform your product development process to help you create cost-effective, sustainable, and risk-minimized products. For more information on how aPro and aPriori's manufacturing insights platform can transform your products and operations, visit our website or reach out to our team for more details.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.